Welcome to my channel PC for Light, a source of diamond. Today we are going to discuss about a scholarship sponsored by Swami Vivekananda, Single Child Scholarship for Research 2020-2021. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Last 34 years I'm teaching in this college in geology department, and in this 20 years I worked as a NCC associate NCC officer, and I have been retired from the rank of lieutenant commander from 3 Maharashtra Naval NCC unit, and I've done 10 years scholarship in charge, and during this 10 years national as well as international scholarships have been uh, service I have been provided to the various needy students, ground tone students. Of the main achievement from this is the from my college, 30 student has got 100% scholarship from Turkey to study higher education in Turkey universities. And myself has been visited on the invitation, and I visited 10 universities. In addition to this, I've been visited Switzerland, Canada, US, and Saudi Arabia. And based on the experience, I feel these are the things which will be very, very important for the student to complete their dreams, their goals, to achieve their highest degree by supports. And students are unaware and parents are unaware about there are the number of scholarships are available, who is having the idea that they have to go and approach the portal and find out the information. So with this lockdown, I've learned so many things, and now I'm started a series of video to be uploaded on my channel PC Joe Kimberlite. Right from 11th standard to till postdoc, I'm going to upload the national as well as international scholarships. So basically, initially I'm starting the national one, and slowly I'm going to make out for the international one. Yes, let's start the scholarship. Swami Vivekananda Single Girl Child Scholarship for the year 2021. I'm not going to again reshoot this one for the next year. So I'll only one time I'm going to have this video. So those who are going to see this video after 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, make as a base, and making the base, what are the essential conditions are there, what is the eligibility criteria is there, what are the documents are required, and what the benefit you are going to get from the scholarship, and what is the starting date and what is the ending date, and what are the portal where you can get this scholarship online. So everything, if you put it on that, and at the time of your proper uh, admission, you can go for this scholarship. If you are not eligible for this scholarship, you can spread the message in your family or family friend circle or your friend circle, so that it reach to the maximum, and whatever our intention is there, that the needy and poor student, the girl student, can get this scholarship to complete his scholarship, complete his PhD program. Swami Vivekananda Single Girl Child SVSGS scholarship for research offered by the University Grant Commission. The fellow is exclusively meant for a girl candidate who is a single child for her parent. To be eligible for this fellowship, a candidate must be pursuing a PhD in social sciences, not other sciences. Only the social science and PhD students will be there. The fellowship aims to encourage the higher education of a single girl child in social sciences. What is the eligibility is there? A candidate wishing to apply for this scheme must be the single girl child of her parent and must be pursuing a PhD in social science from the recognized institution in India. If there are one daughter and one son in a family, In this case, the girl candidate is not eligible to apply for this scholarship. Those who are pursuing PhD, a distance mode cannot be applied. Transgender candidates can also apply for this scholarship. Candidates belonging to the general category should not have an age more than 40 years. As of 6th January 2020-21, 45 years for ST, SC, ST, OBC, PWD category candidates. For the initial 2 years, the fellow will get 25,000 per month. For the remaining period of time, the 28,000 per month will be given to the scholar. The fellow will also get a contingency grant of rupees 10,000 for initial 2 years and 20,500 for the remaining tenure. The PWD candidates will receive escorts and reader assistance for rupees 2,000 per month. How to apply the Swami Vivekananda Single Girl Child Scholarship for research in social sciences. The complete guideline is regarding the application procedure of Swami Vivekananda Single Girl Child Scholarship for the research in social sciences in 2021 is given below. And this same information I am going to put it into the description, so you can get it all this information in the description. Then the link is also there in the description. The application form is available in online. To fill the form online, click here. Yes, to click on that particular site, read all the instruction carefully, click the proceed for registration and complete the personal information. Enter the research information including the subject, research topic and department. Application also need to enter other details like a paper published and a scholarship or present or employment, etc. Upload all the necessary document. At last, accept the declaration and submit the form. After the completion of step 1, candidate must note down their register ID for the further use. Graduation and post-graduation mark sheet is required for the uploading. Certificate from the institute where a candidate is applying for PhD. 10th mark sheet, caste certificate by the competent authority, undertaking NOC form in the prescribed format, PWD certificate if applicable, PhD admission proof, and affidavit on Indian rupees 50 stamp paper from the applicant parents stating that she is single child of her parents by the SDM or first class magistrate or gazetted officer. If 50 is available, it is well and good. If it is not there, directly you'll have 100 or 500 rupees. The applicant form of the scholarship has been released. Student must admit the application form on or before 30th May 2021. The selection criteria in Swami Vivekananda Single Girl Child is research in social sciences. Candidate selection is based on fulfillment of eligibility criteria and academic records. And information is given on the website www.ugc.ac.in. And the last date for the application is 30th May 2021. Yes, www.ugc.ac.in is the website, and the last date application is 30th. And earlier one the date is given, it is for the year 1920. I hope this is clear. If you are eligible, you can apply. If it is not there, then you will become the messenger. So you can pass on to those your colleagues, your friends, or your friend circle, your groups, and aware about this particular scholarship in among the girl students. Thank you. Have a nice day.